Tasmania, a state of Australia, detached from the mainland just north of the South Pole. Get ready as Mac and myself get stuck into one of the most action-packed trips been on yet. I don't know, might buy pay grade. I'll be riding shotgun with Macca in the big black dual cab, joined by the one and only Lockie Poole, TikTok famous gold truck.
Oh, g'day guys. Looks like it's just falling off, eh?
As well as Matty in his flexy 900 horsepower Ford over cruiser, blue truck. And top bloke Blake in the Shake and Blake single cab.
How many followers did you get?
500.
How many ratios?
6.
What's the inside?
How many chicks slid into the DM?
In these coming episodes, we're going to be exploring some of the most iconic tracks this amazing place has to offer, and not without some serious hurdles along the way. I'm going to kick this series off in Melbourne, where we met the boys at the King Chrome factory. Bit of a photo shoot and tour before we hit the spirit of Tasmania and prepare for a bloody good time. Let's get stuck into it now. Alrighty, we're in Melbourne, guys. Where we going, mate?
King Chrome, baby! Woohoo!
Alrighty, got the other boys just behind us. I'm just going to pull in King Chrome and have a look around.
Oh, hey man.
And these two bikes, so that one's CDR, so that's a championship bike from last year. Yeah, right. Aaron Tanti.
I'd say it's light actually, it's way better than my light.
Boy man, I think they'll notice that. We were doing the whole time.
What are we doing, Macca?
What are we doing? We're taking some sweet photos with the boys' trucks and King Chrome.
So obviously we're on the way to Tassie, so stopping in at King Chrome to get a few bloody photos taken.
I'd be rude not to, really. Come in and see the boys, and
But it's pretty cool. Cruisers staged up in factories.
it'd be sick to see like a car in like King Chrome catalogs.
Is it going to cover?
I think so, yeah. That's what this whole thing's
I'm
for.
learning. Mac's working, I'm just chilling.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll get back to work. We're going to do a little bit of a walk around the factory. The boys are getting tools, everything. Get stuck into it now, eh?
We got presents. Presents for the boys.
Ta-da!
Oh! Hey, act surprised!
Cool. This is it. That's all. Me, I'm done.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Get that ISO and shutter speed up. World record. He's only had him for like a minute.
Literally come like about 3 Ks around the corner. Seal. So I had it apart the other day, redone all the wheel bearings and everything, and when I've put the CB back in, I've pinched the seal, I reckon. So it's just pissing out oil under here. It's just all leaking out of the swivel hub, so.
In case anybody's wondering, this is going to be the entire trip.
Yeah, pretty much. So we haven't even left yet, but we're off to a good start anyway. So.
Yeah. We're at LCS 4x4. The boys know the guys here, and they build insane old school cruisers, as you can see. Super cool to walk around. Like, I didn't even know about this place until now.
Yeah, we were just talking. I might do a similar thing when I do the K-truck.
Boys are just saying they're building this one to race, so that's why it's so nice.
Two cruisers down, we haven't even left the blacktop.
Been on the highway for what, at least half an hour?
Yeah, true. We've done some pretty hard hard stuff now, so.
What, it fully delete itself?
That's what it was. This spring, redone it all, and I didn't replace these seals because they were fine and I just didn't have them, or that wasn't the job, but I very carefully put the CV back in, trying not to knock that off, and I still knocked it off.
You'd think it's so easy just sliding it in, but it's like
Well, you can't.
the tiniest little
Once
thing.
you get it to there, you have to let go of it, and you have to slide it in on the seal until it gets to the diff, and then you got to bounce it into the spine, so it's like...
So as you would have seen from my last video about how you don't have to remove your swivel hub, this is proof from a professional.
Professional. I've got no idea what I'm doing, but I'm doing it with precision.
Excellent.
I stuffed it up a bit. Hold on.
All done, all sorted, hopefully. Find out when I go for a drive, I guess. It might leak or it might not.
Woo! Here we go!
That's a big boat, dude.
Spirit of Tasmania, it's night time, we're loading on the cars. Will Max car fit under 2.1? Highly doubt it.
Yeah, we are. Yeah.
Just between us, Mac. A bit more serious than Double Island Bar.
Oh, it's a little, yeah, look.
Yeah,
it's a little bit bigger.
It's a little more serious.
Well, just a little bit. Just on the right here, we have another 8-speed auto. You're not gonna believe this.
I'm just going to bed.
Look of a nervous man. We got 2 cabins, and then in that other booking I got another cabin. Yeah. I booked Pearly on the way back, but not the way there. Fuck. Let's sort it out. We go. Hard faith. This lady's really nice.
I'm allowed to go there, but I'm allowed to come back.
Yeah, you're allowed to come back, mate.
Oh yeah, sweet, no, that's all good there. I want to go there anyway.
It's not looking good, guys. It's all gone bad, and yeah, but we're going home. Sorry.
Yeah, we couldn't get Pearly on the boat.
Nah, just kidding.
Can't get on the boat, but you can come back. Six? No, that's an 8.
This one?
We have 3 8s and the blue one at the back. It's got a Barra, you know, a Ford Falcon motor. Yeah, sick.
We're gonna get kicked off. We're not even gonna get on.
Everyone's just limmy bashing. the seckies are like, booked him on the way home and not on the way there.
So how much extra was it?
It's only 156 bucks.
Oh shit.
Now, boys.
Can you put it on a payment plan or something for me?
yeah, don't worry. I'll
Did you afterpay?
Yeah, I'll have to pay it, it's fine.
I just get a nimble to pay my nimble loan. Infinite money. Infinite money.
Welcome to the Spirit of Tasmania. It's a big boat, I'm not gonna lie.
It is. I'm not worried about the height anymore.
So guys, we think it's 10 stories, 200 meters long, at least a 50 horsepower outboard on the back.
Oh, definitely, at least a 50. Maybe 250.
Yeah, supercharged.
Yeah.
Where's the toilet block? It's Caravan Park, isn't it?
Is this prison? There's too many doors. Sick.
Cherry, on top or bottom.
Dude,
Oh, okay.
looking at the
Good.
ramp.
You're high. You're never getting sent around, mate.
But yeah, alright, so we've got bunk 1, bunk 2, bunk 3 and bunk 4.
So this is the first for me, guys, but I'm into it. Oh, we got a bathroom. You missed it.
What? Oh, it's got a shower.
Last one.
I think my tactic's going to be try and get to sleep straight away before the boat even leaves so I don't get seasick.
So if you've been watching the channel for a while, you'll know that Mac has a serious issue with seasickness. So.
I've just dropped 2 quails.
Yeah.
For your safety, place ladder on metal strip.
Oh,
Follow instructions well. How am I gonna? Oh, you got a little nail. That's why we can't have nice things. Just take it out of the room.
Oh yeah. So much going on.
Knees weak, arms out. No, what is it? Party like it's your birthday.
He's
Gonna
joking.
sip Bacardi like it's your birthday.
Supercharged, outboard. Is that class as outboard?
Yeah, 8 cylinders. 8 stacks, 8 cylinders. Where are we, mate?
I think we're in Tassie or New Zealand or Hawaii. I don't know, it's an island.
10 days is on.
We're on.
Boys are on.
Oh, he's been camping up here.
Yeah, I was just packing it up actually. Jeez, it was wild down here last night.
Oh, how cool is this, Macca? We're overseas in the cruiser.
Yeah, we kind of are, eh? Yeah.
Wait, we're overseas.
The weather's actually fucking mint down here.
I don't miss, I don't play none, I don't diss, I don't say none, I go switch. That's the name one.
Yeah, it's like for a mate.
A1.
Oh, good day. Oh, good day, guys.
I can't even do it.
Check engine light come on, so I thought I'd check it. It's still there.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, oh, yes, yeah. No, it does every now and then.
No boost, taken for a drive. It's the start of was it Tassie's most reliable cruises? 4 most reliable cruises in Australia on tour.
I've been up now, that's a case wine. I've been down too, like the days.
Not every day you see these trucks in Tassie.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, mate. 4 most reliable cruises do Tassie. Too many limmy bangs, the oil comes straight through.
Yeah, it'd be good if I could get it unplugged. I've just cleaned an oiled air filter, so hopefully.
We're just going to put it on the back seat. Sick.
I don't miss, I don't play none, I don't diss, I don't say none, I go switch. I'm living good, tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops, drop a lot, and she packed the bags, she shot till we drop.
I was like, has this thing got cams or has it just got a miss?
Pretty sure this one have joints that don't let you use the toilet unless you buy something.
Oh,
So I'll probably have to have a pot. Yeah, probably beer.
oh, well, it'd be rude not to, really.
How inconvenient.
Sandy Cat, pretty good, huh?
Get
Oh,
it going.
if you,
Tassie?
yeah, you'll have fun at Sandy Cat.
Yeah, sweet. Bit of local knowledge going on.
That's actually not bad, huh? Might move to
Best
Tassie.
one.
Fuck, wish my tyres were down already. And my shocks are down to 1.
Weather's rubbish. What do you do, but I think the sand dunes are further up. We're going to go for a drive and see what's up further and then maybe come back.
Horrible weather. You're going 40 minutes high, right?
Billy, how do you feel about this situation, mate?
Oh, it's been great. It's so
The only guy made it out.
This is literally the best day of my life.
What do you charge for a recovery, mate?
Probably like a beer each at least, minimum 6 packs. got 1,000 horsepower and he's still bogged.
Yeah, I was like, I'm taking my front locker out, he's gonna fucking rip me.
Well, I guess those King Chrome and Max Trax little toe hitch things are pretty strong. Hi, I'm Mac Preston, and I got bogged.
Can you tell who's not from Queensland?
Yeah, I got traggies on.
Oh, what's wrong with these ones? Put a jumper on. Nice cold can, it's not cool me down.
Not looking good.